Hi guys, welcome to Digit. Today we'll be unboxing the Infinity by Harman Zip 100 Stereo In-ear Headphone. The device comes in this compact packaging that you can see here. It is of 1.2 meters in length with a 20 Hz to 20 kHz frequency response, 9 millimeter driver size, and a 3.5 millimeter plug. The device itself has a comfort fit, and there's not much more information, so let's go straight into the unboxing. Inside the box, you have the user manual, which will give you all the information you need about the specifications and everything you need to maintain the longevity of your product. You also have a set of spare ear tips for customization as per your comfort requirements. The device itself, as you can see here, has a The device itself, as you can see here, has a pretty standard design. You have the in-ear ear tips over here at the start. You have the angle design for better fit in your ears. You have the inline control with the multifunction button and the mic. And you have the angled 3.5 mm gold-plated jack at the end. And there you have it. That is the Infinity by Harman Zip 100 Stereo In-ear Headphone. Thank you for watching.